get it anyway.
Why not?
Why do I have to watch this?
Because you took the batteries out of my remote to put them on your camera.
Why? Film him!
He doesn't do anything either.
What?
Brian, do something interesting.
What do you call interesting?
Watch, Michelle has his magic trick. Brian, tell Michelle, stick your arm out.
Stick your arm out.
No!
Do it! Do it!
Blake?
Do it! Huh?
Why are you shaking?
I don't know if I like it. Because I can't tell how